Commitment. Engagement. The commitment to making dreams come true. To turn challenges into opportunities. Only those who are confident about their own capacity and the future make commitments. Commitment. This word defines the history of more than 4 decades of the Schahin Group. A history of growth based on determination, professionalism, and entrepreneurial spirit. Today, Schahin is a solid and diversified group, a large group that operates in key sectors of the Brazilian economy, such as oil and gas, engineering, real estate development, energy, and telecommunication, and that has become a benchmark quality reference in all these fields. Schahin Oil and Gas began operating in 1985 with the North Star 1 jackup platform. Over the years, the company increased its presence in the oil and gas segment with hydraulic production rigs and the SC Lancer drill ship. More recently, its activities in the segment were further expanded by the Victoria 10,000, Sertão, and Cerrado dynamically positioned drill ships, and the SS Pantanal and SS Amazônia semi-submersible drilling platforms. Today, Schahin Oil and Gas provides a wide range of drilling, completion, and maintenance services for oil and gas wells, and qualifies for the Great Brazilian Challenge, exploiting the pre-salt layers. Committed to the country's energy needs, the company is preparing to work on a new front, offering oil production services and fluctuating production units of the FPSO type. Employing the highest technology standards and endowed with highly qualified personnel, Schahin Oil and Gas stands out for the outstanding performance of its operations and for the safety records over the years of the equipment run by the company. For more than 45 years, Schahin Engineering has stood out for its technical expertise in implementing projects of different complexity levels, both in the public and private sectors. The portfolio of sites built by Schahin Engineering is wide-ranging and comprises commercial projects, hospitals, industrial facilities, housing developments, infrastructure projects, power, and special projects such as Project Sivam, Amazon Region Surveillance System, which involved highly complex logistics in the simultaneous construction of tens of civil construction and infrastructure sites in the legal Amazon region. The experience and competence of Schahin Engineering have enabled it to take part in the expansion of the Petrobras Research Center in Rio de Janeiro, bringing together everything that is most up-to-date and technological in terms of civil construction, sustainability, and eco-efficiency. Schahin Engineering's unique technical capability is also evidenced in the construction of the large tunnel for the Caraguatatuba-Taubaté gas pipeline, which goes through the Serra do Mar State Park. To overcome the main challenge of this project, boring through rock, Schahin Engineering used an unprecedented method in Brazil, a tunnel boring machine, which evidences the company's pioneering attitude toward new construction methods and technologies. At present, and in line with its entrepreneurship, the company is preparing to enter the offshore construction sector, production and drilling platforms, in order to meet the rising need of investments in the sector in connection with Brazil's pre-salt layer. Schahin Real Estate Development has the experience needed to plan and develop real estate projects that fulfill the needs of clients with the broadest range of profiles. Because it is part of a wide-ranging group that operates nationwide and abroad, it has the unique capability of identifying opportunities and rendering projects feasible. The business philosophy of Schahin Real Estate Development is based on implementing quality solutions at competitive prices, which guarantees its place among the major players of the Brazilian real estate market. Beyond development and construction, the primary goal of Schahin Real Estate Development is to satisfy its customers. Schahin Energy, being invariably aligned with the requirements of development, was responsible for building thousands of kilometers of transmission lines, taking power to hundreds of towns, companies, and industries in Brazil. Its activities in this field go beyond construction. As of 2000, Schahin Energy expanded its activities into the market of concessions of transmission systems. For more than 2 decades, Schahin Telecom has been active in the telecommunication area with services that encompass the implementation and maintenance of transmission systems, land-based and submarine optical networks, wireline and wireless telephony, and radio linking. Its technological capabilities, its strict compliance with deadlines, and the competitiveness of its prices guarantee the optical approach to meeting clients' needs. Investing in human potential is one of the main Schahin Group guidelines. A guideline that is converted into concern about the quality of life and professional growth of its employees, into respect and ethics, which govern its relations with its clients and partners, and into a commitment to the well-being of the communities in which it operates. Schahin Group is deeply committed to social equality and to sustainable development. Driven by a partnering agreement with the IFC, the group rose to a new level of performance in the domain of corporate responsibility, incorporating this into its business strategy and turning it into a systematic approach in its activities. Incessantly seeking excellence in the management of quality, safety, the environment, and occupational health, Schahin Engineering has become a benchmark reference in the market and a pioneer in obtaining international certifications, resorting to a single integrated management system which encompasses its civil construction, energy, telecommunications, and oil and gas activities. Schahin Group, present in the key sectors of development in Brazil. High performance, constant investment in people and in technology, permanently pursuing sustainable development. Schahin Group, our commitment is to combine economic, social, and environmental development harmoniously as we help to build a better future for generations to come.